Instant mold plaster of Paris bandages are one of the most useful tools when it comes to the art of mask making, mold making, and casting. Instant mold is especially useful in creating shell or mother molds. This is the rigid outer layer of a mold which is laid over alginate and silicone rubbers that provides the support for casting once the mold is removed from the model. Instant mold bandages are extremely rich and creamy, equal to those more expensive brands. They are very fast setting and resist delamination. Masks can easily be created from a roll of instant mold and once dry, decorated in paint, sequins, feathers, decoupage, or whatever your imagination desires. The most efficient technique in the use of plaster bandages for shell molds is to first roll out about 6 to 8 inches of a bandage. Roll it back on itself and then roll it back once again. In that way you will have 3 layers of bandage in a collapsed S shape. Now cut it apart and continue creating 3-ply bandages. Stack them in a pile that is X-shaped so they will be easier to pick up when you are ready to apply them. A face mold needs 1 bandage roll, whereas a front torso mold needs about 8 or 9. Have a bowl of warm water at the ready. Holding a bandage end in each hand, dip the bandage in the water until saturated. Lift it out and gently squeeze out excess water. Apply over the silicone or alginate surface, smoothing it out so there are no air pockets. Repeat, applying the next bandage, overlapping the first by a third until the entire surface of the mold is covered. In addition, instant mold plaster of Paris bandages may be safely applied directly to the body to create a mold in itself. The mold provides less detail than an alginate or silicone mold, but it makes for an easier application. It will provide a wonderful form mold and is often the choice for belly casting or pregnancy molds. So now you know. Try instant mold plaster of Paris bandages in your next mold making project.